This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today we will show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you want to swipe downwards from the top right of your display, which is the most convenient and quickest way to access the Wi-Fi settings by simply tap and holding onto the Wi-Fi shortcut. Once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. And once at the network details page, tap on the share icon. And as you can see at the share Wi-Fi page, we'll have the actual Wi-Fi password right below the QR code and, the saved QR code itself, which can be used for automatically connecting any device that can scan it to the chosen network. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.